Hello students. In the ongoing series of online classes, today we shall study the writing section, and in writing section today we will study article writing. So what is an article? An article is a piece of writing written in its unique and interesting style, which includes interesting facts, thoughts, discussions, opinion of people, elucidating a problem of social, cultural, local, national importance, or describing a place or narrating an event. It is based on a verbal, visual input. The output may be descriptive or argumentative. It is an expression of one's thought on an issue or a subject, logically and coherently written in meaningful paragraphs. So why do we write articles? We write articles to present information on a variety of themes in a long and sustained piece of writing, to describe some events or persons and their life and actions, to describe places, to describe experiences, to describe opinion on some issues of social interest, to express arguments in favor or against some stated hypothesis or current events, to pass information for publication. Now, where do we find articles? We find articles in magazines, in school magazines, in newspapers, in books also. Now, what is the format of writing an article? So let us see the format of an article. The format of an article consists of, first of all, heading or the title. First of all, we write the heading. It should express the central theme or gist of the subject matter. It should be appropriate. Then we write writer's name, the person who is writing the article. After that comes the body of the article. The body of the article contains 2-3 paragraphs giving beginning, means introduction, middle, in which we discuss causes and effects, and the end, in which we discuss conclusion or suggestion. So beginning, middle and end. In the beginning we give introduction of the problem, in the middle we discuss the causes and effects, and in the end we give conclusion or the suggestion. An article should contain relevant and original ideas, facts, figures, arguments, and opinion, etc., related to the title or heading. So we saw that 3 main things are there in the format of an article. The format of an article consists of heading, writer's name, and body of the letter. Body of the letter may be written in 2 or 3 paragraphs or more paragraphs. So let us see an example of an article. Here is an article on conservation of environment. Conservation of environment. So this is the heading of the article, title of the article, conservation of environment. Then byline. Byline means where the name of the writer is written by XYZ. Now comes the body of the letter. So this is the body of the letter. You can see this is the body of the letter. So the body of the letter starts with the beginning, means introduction. So it says, there is an all-round degradation of human environment. People complain of scorching heat, respiratory problems and ill health. It is time to pause and consider the cause behind all this. Global warming is increasing due to greenhouse gases. There is an urgent need to bring about awareness regarding environmental concerns. So this was the beginning part, the introduction part. Now let's come to the middle, in which we discuss causes and effects. It says, environmental pollution is the gift of galloping population, unplanned industrialization, mining, and haphazard and faulty town planning. Indiscriminate felling of trees and deforestation to utilize more land for agricultural purposes have added to the problem. Now come to the end part, where we discuss about the conclusion and the suggestion. Now it says, under these circumstances, it is essential to create awareness among people to keep the environment clean and pure. Vacant spaces may be turned into green pastures with saplings and trees around them. Efforts should be made to maintain the ecological balance. We can arrange mass rallies or walks to create public awareness and force the concerned authorities to take preventive action. So this was the article, and this article you have seen the beginning, the middle and the end. So this was the heading, this was the byline, and this was the body. So students, you have seen that the format of an article consists of heading, writer's name means byline, and the body of the article, which should be written in 3 or more paragraphs. So students, I hope you have understood how to write an article. Still you have any problem, you may talk to me. Thank you students.